Hi guys, my name's Alyssa. I'm here with the University of Oregon. I'm studying philosophy with a minor in psychology, and I'm in London working with Healthwatch as a special projects intern. I chose to do the internship program in London because I've never done a lot of traveling outside of my home country, and I felt like this was the perfect place to not only feel comfortable where I was because it's so similar to where I'm from, but also have the opportunity to check out other places around Europe and travel and meet new people and to go to different communities. So I felt like it was the perfect mix of feeling comfortable but also expanding my horizons. One of my favorite memories honestly has to be just exploring new places with the people I met in my program. Not only did we get to travel and see different places, which we got to go see the Eiffel Tower, which was one of the biggest things on my bucket list, but also just exploring the city of London and going to different pubs and restaurants and shows was so cool, and I just made some of the best friends I've ever had, and I think it's just been a really rewarding experience having them around. The program really helped me find a lot of confidence and independence just because this is my first time traveling alone, and so I felt like putting me in a new place and having to really figure it out on my own was really beneficial, and I feel like I gained so many skills, not only just in my personal life but in my internship as well. I got to talk to new people from a lot of different communities, and I felt like I learned so much, and now I get to take that information back home with me, and I feel way more confident and independent than I ever have. Tech staff has supported me so well, from the University of Oregon staff who helped ease my mind when I was unsure what I was doing, and then my ECs, Peach and Autumn, when I got here, made me feel so comfortable and like I could do it, honestly. They made me feel like a friend, and I felt like I could go to them with any problem I had, which made it really comforting for when I did have hard days that I knew that they would be there for me.